Hello folks. Alright, what I'm comparing here is a E-body door panel for a Cuda 7074 aftermarket. This is from Classic Industries. Alright, Classic Industries. This is the part number ME860200. It's made overseas. This is the good one. This is the one that's injected molding. Looks exactly like it to the T. So I'm going to compare it. I'm going to see what the difference is. All right, I have a black one over here to compare to. Now let's see here. If you hold it side by side, this piece on the leg, perfect. The trim looks good. The grain, very good. Looks just like it. On the bottom here, looks to be the same. Okay, got the hole on the bottom there. This piece over here, that detail, perfect. The stripes over here, perfect. Compared to the aftermarket one. Now the only difference I see here, I see that these holes are a little bit bigger. Okay, these holes over here, pretty big compared to the original ones. Let me show you what the original ones look like. So here's the original ones. Definitely a lot smaller. All right, but look at the grain. The other thing I want to compare you to is the molding, or these window sweeps, cat whiskers that they want to call them. All right, let me see if I can hold two of them side by side for you. Set this up for you such a way so you can see it. All right, hold on. All right, so I'm going to hold the aftermarket one. Oh, you know what? I'm actually going to lay it over a little bit better. Yeah, I'm going to hold it this way for you. A lot better. Don't want to scratch up the new one. All right, now look at this molding over here. Molding over here lands pretty good. The original one is more metal over here. Aftermarket cuts it a little short. So if you notice, the cat whisker on the original one is a little longer. Going towards the front here, you're going to notice that the molding on the aftermarket one sticks a little further past this panel. See it? The original one squares off there. The original aftermarket one now extends a little bit more and it makes a little nice turn. So it's not as sharp as the original one. Alright, so I see the difference there. Like I said, line up the cat whisker. The aftermarket one comes a little bit short. Looks like about 1/2 inch. Alright. Other than that, the curve here is fine. The curve down here. Look, even that matching curve, that cutout over here, I thought it was a defect, but it's actually not. It's actually on the same panel. Okay, let me see if I can open this wide a little bit. See the difference in the holes? I told you, that's the wide one, and there's a little skinnier one. All right, so I definitely see a difference in the hole. All right, now I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna show you what the back side of this looks like. Okay, back side looks pretty good too. Put it here. Back side, everything else is detailed, pretty good. Got the left hand in here. It won't have the Chrysler markings on it, but everything else is pretty good. Let's see if I can show you another one compared to it. Another comparison of the holes. See the difference? Definitely bigger. Here's the back side to the cat whiskers. Okay, original one's a little longer. Aftermarket on top is shorter. detailing along here is perfect. Right around to this curve. Exactly the same. Manual door handles. Looks exactly the same. Down here, exactly the same. Same mold. Curves over here, the same. Over here is the same. So it's a pretty good aftermarket copy, that's for sure. There it is over here, that's the same. See the holes? All right, big hole, little hole. That's what I see there. Otherwise, this is all the same. Tell you, aftermarket looks pretty good. I don't have any stock on the front one yet, so when the front one comes, I'll compare that one too. But the grain is definitely there. Nice copy. Look at that. See, beautiful. And a nice little close-up for you. If you want to compare it to yours. Nice design right here. Looks pretty good. Plus the old one's a little scratched up, but the grain is there. All right. So 2 thumbs up for this one for me, boys and girls. All right. Ciao.